Hi guys! I just want to go over what a flipped classroom is. I know we talked about it today in class, but I hope that this presentation helps you guys out a little bit more. Remember, learning is fun. So I know you guys are thinking, what is this? So let's click on this and we'll see. There's a way to learn and earn. Have fun earning extra class points at home. Every activity completed earns a class dojo point. And let's see what this says. You know what this means? It means you get to spend more time on the computer at home. You get to earn prizes in our classroom. And you're having fun. Okay, let's go to another slide. So what do you think you need to do this at home? Do you need to buy a new computer? Do you need to buy another tablet? An iPad? No, because you can use any tablet or an iPad. It's really easy. Or if you have a computer, a desktop, you can use that too. So how can I earn the points? Let's see. You can pick from any one of these apps. That'll be, you'll be able to select any of these apps and we will be able to track and give you points on Class Dojo for doing it at home. So you can do the Ingenie, you can do tracing, puzzles on that. You can do Starfall reading, Study Island, Motion Math, My Word Wall, and this is more to come. Are you guys excited? I know these are some of your favorite apps. So parents, you're saying, how can I help my child? Here you go. Review the apps with your child. Make sure they understand. And if they don't, you go to step 2 and contact me with any questions you may have. So I hope that you guys are super excited to learn more at home and to make sure that you're having fun and earning points while you do it. Thank you. Have a good day. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.